Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I am going to demonstrate you how to launch a static website using Amazon S3. So let me directly jump to the AWS console. So here in this AWS website, I have logged in using my debit card. You can log in through your debit card or credit card, and I'm directly jumping to the S3 service. I've just typed S3 in the search box, and let me click on S3. Okay, so here is the S3 and here is the service. Let me click on the create bucket button. So to launch a static website, first I have to create a bucket in S3 service. So bucket will be the place where the content of our website will be hold. We will hold the content of our website. So first step is to give a name to our bucket. So let me give it a name. Let me give it uh, Manish CETL or okay, Manish CETL 1. Let me give this name. So there are some rules also regarding bucket name, giving bucket name. You can read these rules. AWS region, we have chosen the region closest to us, which is Mumbai, so that the latency can be minimized. And then we will move forward. We will remove the block all public access. Okay, we want no traffic to be stopped for now. Okay, then moving forward, and then let's press on create bucket. Let's see what happens. So we have successfully created bucket. If you are not able to create bucket, it will mean either you have given a wrong name, which is not according to the rules. So you must read the rules for giving the bucket name. Okay, so here we have created the bucket and it is saying objects can be public. So somehow we have to make this objects can be public turn to public. It means whatever objects we are going to put in this should be public. So how to do that? Let's press on this bucket and let's see some properties of this bucket. Okay, let's see if we can do something with the properties. Okay, let's go forward. Okay, and here what we have to do, we have to do static website hosting. So let me press on edit, and right now it is showing static website hosting as disabled. So let's enable it so that we can host our website. Now index document. Now we have not put any document till now, but here we can give the name of the static website page, the landing page, we can give it here. So whatever HTML page I am going to save it in my local computer, that name I am giving here. So I will use a file called as index.html file, and let me save these changes. Okay, so we have enabled the static website hosting. Let's go to permissions. Now here the accesses objects can be public. Okay, let's move forward. Let's see block public access. Let's edit this. Okay, we have removed all the public accesses. We did it before also, but we are just checking if everything is okay. And let's see what else we can do. Here there is something called as bucket policy. Let us edit this bucket policy. And now these are the bucket policy which we are going to do, which we are going to edit. This is a simple code which you can write on the bucket policy. You can pause the video and copy the code. And the example bucket, we will give the bucket name of which we want to edit the policy. So the bucket name is MANESS Manish CETL 1. And let's save changes. Okay, the changes are saved. Let's see if anything else can be done. Okay, we have successfully changed. Let's go to the objects part. And here I can upload any document. So I have saved one index.html. You can save any index file, any HTML file, and you can just directly drag and drop it here. So I'll just drag and drop it on here, and here index.html file is saved in the S3, and the permission is all set. We have not blocked any of the permissions, and let's upload. So the file is uploaded successfully. Let's close this. Okay, and let's go to the bucket part. Okay, and we have to make this objects can be public as public. Okay, so if we just press this refresh button, because we have edited the policies, the access will be now public. Okay, and now we have to check what we have uploaded. Is it showing on the web browser or not? What this index.html contains, is it showing on the web browser or not? Let us see that. So how to do that? Let's see how. So what AWS does is it generates a access, basically a URL point. So let me copy this URL and let us see if this is working. I'm just copying and pasting it uh, on the browser. Okay, not secure. Continue. Let's continue to the site. Okay, now it is showing my first page. This is my first web page. So I've just written a basic, very basic HTML code just to see, just to check if the S3 is working or not. So it is working. Okay, so this is how you can, you know, launch a static website using S3 web service. Okay, and this is what I wanted to show you in this video lecture. Thank you for listening to this lecture, and we will meet in the next lecture.